Afternoon YouTubers, this is the stuff I'm looking to sell if any YouTubers are interested. That's a 3D printed hitch. Some of that is 3D printed. It's quite a heavy truck. That's the trailer. It's a really nice truck. These all open, both sides. Yeah, it's a nice truck. And these all open. That's a nice truck. This is my collection on the side. They're all Tamiya. That's a nice trailer. The Grand Hauler. And then you've got, that's my favourite. That really is my favourite. Then again, I'm into railways now, so I want to sell these. If anybody's interested, you can always get onto my YouTube channel. That Mercedes, that is a dream. These have got the MFC 03s, the Mercedes, and the King Hauler has got around. The Grand Hauler hasn't got anything in. And I put the electronic hitch in there, and these are for the trailer. I've done the same on that one as well. They're really nice trucks. Everything works on them. The Mercedes beacons, they don't work, but they're only about 20 quid to put right. I did have a different system on them before I had the MFCs. I had one of these cheap Chinese systems, and it actually blew the beacons. So, but I haven't changed them. But there's nothing wrong with them. Nothing wrong with the truck itself. It runs great, and that it does come with the controls, control panels. Oh, nice! They're a nice truck. You can probably see inside there all the bits and pieces. I've seen these for sale. I'm not going to mention any prices because I'd only get into trouble with YouTube. But they are a nice little setup. Well, if anybody's interested, just get in touch with my YouTube channel and we'll sort something out. I hope I don't get told off for this, but there again, a lot of people sell stuff on YouTube. But that's that bull bar there. That's 3D printed. It's quite a nice thing. There's nothing wrong with them. Nothing wrong with them at all. Just that I want to move on now and do some other stuff. I've got my own railway, I've got my own garden railway, so I'm concentrating on that now. These are expensive toys, and I need to raise some cash. It's as simple as that. Anyway, YouTubers, anybody interested, give us a knock. Bye.